Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of robotics and how it's set to revolutionize both industries and our everyday lives. Robotics is no longer confined to factories. Robots are becoming part of our homes, workplaces, and even healthcare systems. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at how robotics has evolved, the key areas it's transforming, and the future trends we can expect. So, stay tuned as we explore the cutting-edge world of robotics and how these intelligent machines are reshaping the future. Robotics refers to the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. Robots are machines capable of carrying out complex tasks automatically, often mimicking human actions. These machines can be autonomous or semi-autonomous and are typically equipped with sensors, actuators, and control systems. Over the decades, robotics has advanced from simple mechanical systems to highly intelligent machines capable of learning, interacting with humans, and performing tasks that were once thought impossible. Today, robots are used in a variety of industries and applications, from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and entertainment. The concept of robotics has been around for centuries, with early robotic machines dating back to ancient civilizations. However, modern robotics as we know it began in the mid-20th century with the development of industrial robots. The first programmable robot, called Unimate, was introduced in 1961 and revolutionized the manufacturing industry by automating tasks such as welding and assembly. Since then, robotics technology has evolved rapidly, thanks to advancements in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence. Today, robots are more versatile, intelligent, and capable of performing a wide range of tasks beyond traditional industrial applications. There are several types of robots, each designed for specific applications. Industrial robots are used in manufacturing for tasks such as assembly, painting, and welding. These robots are known for their precision, speed, and ability to work in hazardous environments. Humanoid robots, on the other hand, are designed to resemble humans and are often used in research, customer service, and entertainment. Service robots, such as robotic vacuum cleaners and drones, are used in homes and businesses to assist with tasks like cleaning and monitoring. Each type of robot is built with specific capabilities tailored to its intended use, and as technology advances, these robots are becoming more adaptable and intelligent. Artificial intelligence (AI) is playing a crucial role in the advancement of robotics. By integrating AI, robots can learn from their environment, adapt to new situations, and make decisions autonomously. Machine learning algorithms allow robots to analyze data and improve their performance over time. For example, AI-powered robots in warehouses can optimize their movements and work more efficiently. AI is also enabling robots to understand human language, recognize objects, and even detect emotions, making them more useful in customer service, healthcare, and personal assistance. The combination of robotics and AI is pushing the boundaries of what machines can do, making robots more intelligent and versatile than ever before. Robots have long been a staple in manufacturing, where they are used for tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or require high precision. Automation in manufacturing has led to increased productivity, reduced costs, and improved product quality. Robots can work 24/7 without fatigue, making them ideal for assembly lines. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are a new breed of robots designed to work alongside humans, enhancing productivity and safety in factories. These cobots can perform tasks such as packaging, quality control, and material handling, allowing human workers to focus on more complex tasks. The future of manufacturing lies in smart factories, where robots and AI work together to optimize production processes and reduce waste. Robots are making significant strides in the healthcare industry, where they are being used for everything from surgery to patient care. Surgical robots, such as the Da Vinci system, allow surgeons to perform minimally invasive procedures with greater precision and control. These robots provide real-time feedback, reducing the risk of complications and speeding up recovery times. In addition to surgery, robots are also being used in rehabilitation, where they assist patients in regaining mobility after injuries or surgeries. AI-powered healthcare robots can monitor patients' vital signs, administer medication, and even provide emotional support to patients in long-term care facilities. The agricultural industry is embracing robotics to meet the growing demand for food production. Robots are being used to automate labor-intensive tasks such as planting, harvesting, and weeding. Drones equipped with AI and computer vision are being used to monitor crops, analyze soil conditions, and even apply fertilizers and pesticides with precision. Robotic milking systems are being used in dairy farming to automate the milking process, improving efficiency and reducing the need for human labor. By automating these tasks, robots are helping farmers increase productivity, reduce waste, and ensure the sustainability of their operations. One of the most exciting applications of robotics is in the transportation industry, where autonomous vehicles are set to revolutionize the way we travel. Self-driving cars, trucks, and drones use a combination of sensors, AI, and robotics to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make decisions in real time. Companies like Tesla, Google, and Uber are at the forefront of developing autonomous vehicles that promise to make transportation safer, more efficient, and accessible. In addition to passenger vehicles, autonomous delivery drones and trucks are being developed to revolutionize logistics and supply chains. While there are still technical and regulatory challenges to overcome, the future of transportation will undoubtedly be shaped by robotics. Retailers are increasingly turning to robots to improve customer service, streamline operations, and enhance the shopping experience. Robots like Pepper and Now are being used in stores to greet customers, provide product information, and assist with inquiries. Autonomous robots are being used in warehouses to manage inventory, pack orders, and fulfill deliveries. AI-powered recommendation systems are also being integrated into online shopping platforms, helping customers find products based on their preferences and behavior. As robotics technology advances, we can expect to see more automation in the retail sector, from robotic checkout systems to fully automated stores. Robots are being used in education to enhance learning experiences and assist teachers in the classroom. Educational robots, such as Now and Lego Mindstorms, are being used to teach students programming, robotics, and problem-solving skills. These robots provide interactive learning experiences that engage students and make complex concepts more accessible. In addition to classroom robots, AI-powered tutoring systems are being developed to provide personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's needs. These systems can analyze a student's performance and adjust the curriculum to focus on areas where the student is struggling, providing targeted support and improving learning outcomes. The Defense industry is one of the largest adopters of robotics technology, where robots are being used for surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors are being used to monitor borders, gather intelligence, and carry out military operations in remote areas. Autonomous robots are being developed for tasks such as bomb disposal, search and rescue, and logistics. These robots reduce the risk to human soldiers by taking on dangerous tasks in hostile environments. The development of autonomous weapons, however, raises important ethical questions about the role of robots in warfare, and international regulations will be necessary to ensure that robotics technology is used responsibly. Social robots are designed to interact with humans in a more natural and engaging way. From manufacturing and healthcare to transportation and education, robots are making our lives more efficient, productive, and safer. While there are challenges to overcome, such as the displacement of workers and ethical concerns, the potential benefits of robotics are immense. By embracing this technology and preparing for the changes it brings, we can create a future where humans and robots work together to achieve remarkable things. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of robotics. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Sam Official Tech and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all our latest content. Robotics is transforming the future, and we're excited to bring you more insights into how technology is changing the world. See you in the next video.